Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 15 of Surah An-Nisa and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. واللاتي يأتين الفاحشة من نسائكم for wow circular so fatha upon you just attach with lam will get sifa of the wasut la and then it is two counts long t two counts long yeah it's very soft for fatha upon your jaws attach with hamza will get sifa of shidda so the sound will cut off very sharply T is very sharp and make it two counts long. Nal for fatha open your jaws attached with lam will get sifa of the wasut. Fa give hums and then make it two counts long. Hey for kasra give e sound. Sha very short and sound. Ta very sharp and short sound. Min for kasra give e sound and attached with noon. And this is idgham with gunna. So keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time. Min and then ni. Never miss this kasra sound. Sorry, my writing is very ajib. Minni sa four counts long. E for kasra give e sound. Kum for the circular lips attached with mim can sip out the wasut. Fas give hams on fa for fatha open jaws attached in scene will get sifa of رخاوة and Safir, and it is light. First, Tash. Ta is very sharp for the open jaws attached with Sheen will get sifa. Rakawa and Tafashi, and this is light. Tash. He for kasra give E sound, the sound is very short. Do for the circular lips and make it two counts long. Ain from your throat for fatha open jaws. Lay for this is two counts long and this is lean. Hin for kasra give E sound attached with noon will get sifa off. Gunna and this is akmal gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Hin, but fatha is very short. Na. Ow, hamza is very short, sharp, and for fatha open jaws attached with raw will get sifa off. Tawassut, and tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Ba is very sharp, the sound is short. Ain from your throat for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Tam idgham with gunna, keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ta is very sharp for fatha open your jaws. Tam for kasra give e sound. Don't ever miss this e sound, even though a lot of things are coming up, but you are not missing this e sound. Ning. This is ikhfa, and this is ikhfa is little different. You make the sound like you are about to say ink. Ming kum for the circular lips. Attach it mim, you will get sifa off the wasut. Kum fa for fa. Give hums for fatha open your jaws. And this is ikhfa, and this is light ikhfa. So for light ikhfa, you are keeping the tongue straight. You are keeping the sound in your nose. Fa sha sha for fatha open your jaws. The sound is very short. He for kasra give e sound. Do for the circular lips and make it two counts long. Fa, don't miss fa's hums ever. Fa hamza is very sharp. The flow of sound cuts away. For fatha open your jaws, attach with mim will get sifa of tawassut. C for kasra give e sound. Ku for the circular lips, make it two counts long. Hun for the circular lips. And as soon you will touch noon, your lips should be in a straight position. Hun. This gunna is akmal gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time, but the fatha is very short. Na. Feel for kasra give e sound. This is not anymore long because this fa is attached with this lam. Now feel, but you are not missing this e sound of kasra. Feel, give tawassut. feel boo for the circle your lip. You keep, yeah, very light and soft and make it 2 counts long and circle your lips. You T for kasra. Give E sound. The sound is very sharp. T, hat, ha. Give this misty sound before this letter. Hat and ta is very sharp and then it is 2 counts long. Hat, the flow up sound cuts very sharply. Hatta, yeah, very soft letter. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is short. Ta is very sharp. For the fatha is short. Waf, for wow, circle your lips. And for fatha, open your jaws. Attach with fa. As soon you will touch fa, you are going to give rakha. And yes, waf, and then it is 2 counts long. Fa, hun for the circle your lips, attach with noon. Noon will get sifa of hunna. For a longer time, you're keeping the sound in your nose. Hun, but the fatha is very short and attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasut. Nal, mau for fatha, open your jaws, attach with wow, wow, and it is 2 counts long. Keep it very soft. Mau, tu. Ta is very sharp. For pluma, circle your lips. The sound is very short. Ow. For fatha, open your jaws and attach with wow. And it is 2 counts long because this is harf lean. Yaj. Yeah, it's very soft. For fatha, open your jaws. Attach with jim. Jim will get sifa of qalqala. Yaj. Ain from your throat. Fatha, open your jaws. The sound is short. Law. This lam is light, but lafz jalala will be heavy because you can find fatha before it. Whenever there is fatha or dhamma before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, that will be heavy. And the heavy name sounds like this. This is light. Law, law. And by default, it is 2 counts long. Law, who for the masakuli lips, sound is short. La, short. Hun for the masakuli lips, attached with noon. And noon will get sifa of gunna. And this is akmal gunna. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Hun, but patha is very short. Na, sa, seen is very the fear sound, whistle sound. For fatha, open your jaws, the sound is very short. S, B, 2 counts long. La, 2 counts long because this is mad arab. We are exchanging the sound of noon into 2 counts long vowel. So this is why it is called mad arab. Mad arab means arab. In Urdu we call rivers. Rivers. Yes, we are taking this thing else to that one. So we are exchanging the sounds. So we are exchanging the sounds. That's why this is stretched. واللاتي يأتين الفاحشة من نسائكم فاستشهدوا عليهن أربعة منكم فإن شهدوا فأمسكوهن في البيوت حتى يتوفاهن الموت أو يجعل الله لهن سبيلا واللذان واو circle your lips fatha open jaws attached with lam lam will get sifa tawassut well and then lam fatha is short la the 2 counts long ni for kasra give e sound yeah very soft yeah fatha open your jaws attached with hamza hamza is very sharp the sound flow of sound will be cut off yeah t T is very sharp for kasra, give E sound. Yeah, 2 counts long. And keep the sound soft. Ni for kasra, give E sound. Ha, 2 counts long. Ning. For kasra, give E sound. Don't drop this E sound of kasra. And there is ikhfa coming up. Ming, minkum for the circular lips. Attach with mim. Mim will get sifa of tawassut. Fa, give hams. For fatha open your jaws, the sound is short. Ah, 2 counts long and very sharp sound of hamza. Du for dhamma circle your lips and make it 2 counts long. Hu for dhamma circle your lips, the sound is short. Ma, 2 counts long. F, give hums for fatha open your jaws. The sound is short. In, f, in. Can you feel the difference of ikhfa? Every ikhfa with every letter is little different. So, in, the in, ta is very sharp and make it 2 counts long. Ba, 2 counts long. Wa, for wow circle letters. For fatha open yours. As, hamza is very sharp. For fatha open yours, attaches sod. Sod will get sifa of rakhava and it is heavy and it has safid. As, la is short. Ha, 2 counts long. F, give hams for fatha open jaws. Ah, hamza is very sharp for fatha open jaws attached with ain and will get sifa of tawassut. Ah, it did eri for kasra give e sound and it is very light. Boo, make it 2 counts long and make it heavy. On I am for fatha open your jaws attached with noon will get sifa of tawassut. On who for the circular is ma 2 counts long. And anhuma. Inna Allah. Hamza is very sharp. Attach it. Noon will get sifa of gunna. Inna Allah. Noon will be light, but lafz jilala will be heavy because you can find fatha before it. No, ha is very short. Short. Ka is 2 counts long and it is light. Na, short. Taw, ta is very sharp. For fatha open your jaws, attach with wow and wow will get sifa of nabar and nabar is a jump of sound. When you are attaching this ta with wow, here you are applying nabar. Taw, and then wa, it is 2 counts long. Baru, this is idgham without gunna, so you are not keeping the sound in your nose. Barra, ra is heavy and the sound is short. He, 2 counts long. Ma, 2 counts long because this is mad. Iwad, same. واللذان يأتيانها منكم فآذوهما فإن تابا وأصلحا فأعرضوا عنهما إن الله كان توابا رحيما إنما التوبة in hamza is very sharp for kasra give e sound attached with noon get sifa of gunna and this is akmal gunna to keep sound in your nose for a longer time in but fatha is very short na mat this is not anymore long but this is attached with the coming up ta mat tau and the sound will cut off very sharply mat tau and this is 2 counts long because this is lean and keep it soft. Tau, tau, ta is very sharp, but the way you are making it long, it is soft. Tau, after ta, the sound is soft. It's so beautiful. Our Quran is beautiful because this is Kalamullah. This is the beauty. This is the beauty, the most beautiful Sounds, subhanallah, every beauty is combined in the kalamullah. Subhanallah. Tawbah. Ba is very sharp for fatha upon your jaws. The sound is short. Tu for the circle your lips. The sound is short. Ain from your throat for fatha upon your jaws. Law. This lam is light, but lafz jilala will be heavy because you can find fatha before it. Lawahi for kasra give e sound. Lil for kasra give e sound attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut, and then fatha is very short. Lil la. The two counts long. Na short. Yeah. Yeah, it's very soft for fatha open jaws attached with the ain will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is a medium plop sound. Yeah. Ma is short. Lu, two counts long for the circle lips. Nas for fatha open your jaws attached with seen will get sifa of Rakhawa and Safir, and it is light. Nasu'a. A is very sharp. The sound is short. B for kasra give E sound. J so short. Ha two counts long. La short. Tia. This is ikhfa and this is light ikhfa. So you're keeping the tongue straight and you're keeping the sound in your nose and going towards the makhraj of tha. Thum for the circular lips attached with me, we will get sifa of akmal gunna. Thum bas fatha, but fatha is very short. Ma, yeah, very soft sound. For fatha open your jaws, the sound is very short. Yeah, two counts long. The ta is very sharp. Boo, two counts long. Na, short. Ming, this is heavy ikhfa, so you're lifting your tongue up. Min qa, for fatha open your jaws, the sound is heavy. Ri, two counts long and make raw light. Bin ikhfa, and keep the tongue straight because this is light ikhfa. Bin sa for fatha open your jaws. U for the circular lips, the sound is very sharp. La, four counts long. E for kasra give E sound. Ka, short and soft. Yeah, very soft. For fatha open your jaws. Two is very sharp and make it two counts long for the circular lips. Bullahi, keep light for the circular lips. But lafz jalala is heavy here because you can find dhamma before it. Whenever there is dhamma or fatha before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, that is heavy. Wallahu, ain from your throat for fatha open your jaws. Lay, two counts long because this is lean. Him for kasra give e sound attached with me will get sifa of tawassut. Wa for wow circle lips for fatha open your jaws. Ka, two counts long and make it light. Nawwahu, keep noon light. Matlab se jalala is heavy because you can find fatha before it. Nawwahu for the circular lips. I'm from your throat for fatha open your jaws. Li, two counts long. Man, if ruling is hard, but sifa is tawassut. Man, ha, we should have misty sound for fatha open your jaws. Ki, two counts long. Ma, two counts long. Mad arid. Mad, ayat. This is mad ayat. إنما التوبة على الله للذين يعملون السوء بجهالة ثم يتوبون من قريب فأولئك يتوب الله عليهم وكان الله عليما حكيما. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.